Hi, this is David and Kelly, and welcome to our home. So, Kelly, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, it's that time again. Time for the big question. And today people are asking, what is a survey?
That's a great question. And today we have a special guest. This is Kim Hill. She's an escrow officer for the last 35 years with the Kathy Miller team of Lawyers Title. And we're going to pitch that question to you.
That's a great question. The survey is what's going to show the buyer the dimensions of the property. It's going to show where the structure is on the property, if there's anything in an easement or outside a property line. From a title insurance standpoint, we also offer coverage for that, which would ensure a buyer that survey is accurate for the transaction.
That's good. And so what kind of cost is involved with that?
It's about $44 on a $100,000 policy.
Oh, wow. That's just a little bit. For the insurance you get, that's great.
Yes.
Well, all right. Thank you so much for that information.
Yeah, thank you, Kim. Well, if you have a topic for our next question, feel free to leave a message in the comments below, and we'd love to hear your feedback. Well, thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for the next big question.